Having had a consultation with Saskia, discussing her hair, looking at the texture, we can clearly see that the hair is coloured, chemically processed, and leaving the hair feeling a little dry and brittle on the ends. Saskia has a medium texture of hair, which means we are going to use the CPR Peptide 18 range. This range is an intensive hair care system formulated to give instant results on the hair. Strengthening, repairing, and protecting, that's going to add softness, shine, and smoothness when we've blow dried the hair. The CPR Peptide 18 is loaded with peptides and proteins that are made up of amino acids. The small peptides easily penetrate the hair follicle and restock the building blocks of the hair. This increase in protein, collagen, moisture, and boosting the hair's strength reduces the split ends. The CPR Peptide 18 is made up using the Lauga Nord 5 technology, and active algae ingredients and extracts deliver the rich nutrients and minerals and vitamins to the scalp cells and the hair. Using this superpower of natural algae, it results in exceptionally soft and shiny hair. We're going to follow the Sea Hydrate shampoo with the SEAMOLECULAR Deep Recovery. This is a leave-in deep recovery mask that penetrates the hair follicles and fibers. It's going to transform the damage into soft, silky texture. The peptides strengthen the hair, whilst the algae complex and plant-based keratin inside the product boost the recovery and shine. We're now going to show you a half and half test between the left-hand side and the right-hand side of Saskia's head to really show the power of the SEAMOLECULAR Deep Recovery treatment. Now going to apply the SEAMOLECULAR treatment onto the hair. For a hair type like this, I would apply approximately 4 pumps of the product for the whole head. We can separate the hair into quadrants, making sure we apply the product evenly. I'm going to take 1 pump of product, I'm going to emulsify in, and you can see the texture of the product. We're going to rub and work the product through all of the hair from mid-lengths to ends, making sure we apply thoroughly and evenly, whilst we leave the treatment on the left-hand side of the head to penetrate the hair. We're going to blow dry the right-hand side, which has no product on. This is going to be the perfect test for us to see the true benefits and immediate results of the SEAMOLECULAR treatment. So you can clearly see the shine that we've achieved on the left-hand side of the head with the treatment. Everywhere the hair moves, it's reflecting the light, giving us that beautiful finish, and feels incredibly soft and smooth. Comparing the left-hand side with the product to the right-hand side, you can clearly see some of the loose flyaway hairs that haven't had the CPR treatment on, and also we're unable to get anywhere near the amount of shine that we did on the other side. This clearly identifies and highlights the immediate results that the CPR SEAMOLECULAR Deep Recovery treatment can have on the hair.